Kali Linux presents.
What is penetration testing? When we want to find the vulnerabilities of attack to a computer system, network or web application, we use penetration testing. It is also referred to as pen testing. We can perform manual or automatic pen testing. There are 5 phases of penetration testing. First phase is reconnaissance, second phase is scanning, third phase is gaining access, fourth phase is maintaining access, and the last phase is covering tracks. Reconnaissance. It is the first phase of penetration testing framework. We use reconnaissance to gather preliminary data, or intelligence on the target. The data is gathered in order to better plan for the attack. It can be performed actively, or passively. By actively, we mean actually touching the devices of the target. By passively we mean that your recon is being performed through an intermediary. In this phase we also perform things like identifying the target, finding the target IP address range, network, domain name, mail server, DNS records, etc. The tools which we can use in Kali Linux for reconnaissance are shown in the following figure. Before we dive into first phase, we must know, why do we have phases of penetration testing? Answer is, we have phases of pen testing so that we can follow a standardized methodology, which can be rinsed and repeated over time so that we can look at information trends as well as reporting. This information can be used to compete to the penetration tests that other organizations of professionals have done. In other words, it is setting a standard methodology to conduct penetration test.